Welcome back. I'm Maya McGlynn, and this is Inside the Iron, the show where we break down the heavy equipment that you want to know about. We're at Highway Equipment and Supply Company in Drums, taking a look at the Bobcat Mini Excavator. That's right. We've got a full load of them here, and I'm about to give you an introduction to the E88, a compact powerhouse known for stability and performance. Once upon a time, equipment came in one size, big. That was until the Keller brothers from Minnesota, who were known for making custom farm equipment, were approached by a turkey farmer named Eddie, who had a specific task in mind. That turkey farmer needed to be able to operate a piece of equipment in the second floor of his barn safely. The Keller brothers got to tinkering. They created what would become the first three-wheeled compact loader, and it took off. So much so that they quickly couldn't handle the demand. By 1958, they paired off with Melrose Manufacturing Company, kicking off what would become the compact equipment industry. The brand Bobcat was born of this powerful team and has been shaping the landscape of compact equipment ever since. Now, as part of Doosan Bobcat, these machines continue to be a staple in the world of compact equipment. Today, we're setting our sights on the E88. This machine has been indispensable in the world of construction and landscaping due to its versatility and its efficiency. Let's take a look. Mini excavators have come a long way since their inception. These machines have evolved significantly to meet the ever-growing demands of the industry. Since the late 1990s, Bobcat has played a pivotal role in shaping the excavator market. Their commitment to innovation and engineering excellence allows you to push your performance to new levels with comfort, precision, and efficiency. Take this Bobcat E88, for example. It's versatile, powerful, and designed to perform a wide variety of tasks. This compact powerhouse boasts an impressive set of features. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged diesel engine, ensuring maximum power and efficiency. So what do these features translate to in the real world? The Bobcat E88 is a versatile workhorse, tackling everything from digging trenches to level grading. With its leading lift capacity and narrow footprint, it's a game changer for job sites of all sizes. But it's not just about performance, it's also about longevity. Bobcat equipment is renowned for its durability and reliability. Whether it's working in tough conditions or enduring the test of time, this machine is built to last. So there you have it, the Bobcat E88, where power meets precision. Join us next time as we bring you more of your favorite brands on Inside the Iron.